Let me start the car up for y'all. And we are back. Today I'm gonna show you guys the process of cleaning my car because it is a little bit dirty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out there. I know it's probably gonna be like super duper windy, but just try to like focus on the car, right? I am going to get the car serviced tomorrow, so and bring it to like a car meet if it is done in time because the car dealership is right around the corner from the Porsche dealership. So I'm going ahead 8 in the morning, drop the car off at the dealership, Mercedes dealership, go get it serviced, and then go down to the Porsche dealership. It's like 2 minutes down the road, and then show you guys the other cars that are gonna be there, like a really big car meet. So hopefully my car is done being serviced so I can bring it there and get some content, you know. And then June 4th, which is actually my birthday, let me go ahead, open up the garage so you guys can see the car. All right, here she is. All right, as you could tell, like, I don't know if y'all can see this on the camera. I mean, I already wiped the spoiler off like 2 times today, but there is a good amount of dirt on the car. So I want to go ahead, hit everything up, put my little tire shiner on there. But the inside, also, I want to get something for this. I hate this. I hate how that looks. You can just like see the little freaking white marks. But yeah, it has a good amount of dirt on there. I'm going to go ahead and knock everything out so I can get this car ready for the car meets if it is able to go there. But I just want my car to be clean. I don't like it dirty. But I mean, it's pretty clean. This has like a little layer of dirt on there. So, but yeah, as you can see, yeah, really good amount of dirt on there. But let's go ahead and start cleaning it. I'm gonna give you guys a show you guys the inside. Look, so the inside I already cleaned today when I got home from school because today was my last day. But see, inside, look at that, perfect, beautiful. Inside is already clean. I just need to take out the mats and then shake them out. Get the buckets. Oh yeah, we got the Impala right here too. And then Tesla. My parents left in the other Tesla. But as you can see, we got all this stuff right here. Power washer, soaps, bug spray, everything that you will need to wash the car. Go ahead and bring the power washer out. And then set it right here. So I might have to move the car like in the middle, directly in the middle and down a little bit because it is a little bit windy and I don't want the wind to hit the Impala or the Tesla, right? Well, Tesla don't matter, it's already dirty, but I don't want the water to hit the Impala when I'm spraying the car down. So yeah, also I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. So let me set the camera down. Let me set it down gently on the Impala. It should be good because this is like rubber. It's not like it's gonna hurt the car. Let me start the car up for y'all. All right, so I moved the car, so it's directly in the middle now. The water won't splash on this or that. Let me go ahead and get everything started and I'll catch y'all when I finish. Done. All right, so we got everything ready. Bug spray, 2-bucket method right there. Got the pressure washer on. So let's bring it out a little bit so we can get full 360 of the car. Go ahead, turn it on. Let's go. First of all, I already got the tip on there, the right for the pressure, so. Yes sir, good to go. Good to clean it. So first you want to start always from the top and then work your way to the bottom. Just like this.
17.
So now that I got the car nice and sprayed, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this on the front because, as you guys know, when you drive, the bugs and stuff. I really haven't driven anywhere this week, so this is fine. Like, if you have any bugs, spray this on there, and trust me, it will get it like right off. This is what I use right here for the bug. Look at that. See, it is perfect. You want to make sure the soap, hold on, it's kind of hard to like hold this in the soap, but just like that. Let's just spray a nice coat like that, nice and thick. As you can see, not too much water, not 100% soap. Look at that, perfect. You want it just like that. Finally finished washing off all the soap. I make sure to get in every, oh shoot, my slide came off. But I made sure to get in like every crack and crevice to make sure like no soap was like hanging around like right here. I made just make sure to spray like all in between those little cracks right there to make sure no soap wants to just like hang out. But look at those rims. Oh my god, oh my gosh, those look so good. As you can see, here is the car right here, nice and clean, just how I like it. So now I'm gonna take my towel and dry everything off. As you can see, we got the soap, but look at this beauty right here. It looks so beautiful. So look, so let me go ahead, and yeah, y'all gotta make sure to oh yeah, also open my doors. You know, let some of that soap water like in between there, make sure that dries out. But look at that. So look, I made sure to detail my car good. I don't know what y'all talking about. Finally finished. What time is it? I don't have my watch or anything, but hold on. As y'all can see, oh, hold on, let me turn this down so I can copyright it. All right, so go ahead and turn that down so I don't get copyrighted. But oh my god, look at that. This looks beautiful, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all need to tap in. Sure, I might even start a detailing business. Look at that. There's only like a little residue marks, but that's from the towel. But look at that, spotless. Oh my gosh, bro, look at the look. Oh, hold on, let me go through the other side. Look at this, bro. This, hold on, let me walk out a little bit. All right, y'all rate that detailing job on a scale of 1 through 10. I know the car like wasn't super duper dirty before the video because I washed it, like I wash the car every single week. Hold up, as you can see, a little broke right there. Take your finger in this, get it out like that. But this looks freaking beautiful. Man, this looks so good. I don't know why it's this one rim. It's these back two rims actually that are like so shiny, but in the front, not shiny. Shiny, not shiny. Like I don't know. I wish all four of them were like that, but oh my god. Ooh, look at that. Interior clean, but like I said earlier, I just need to take the mats out and just shake them out a little bit. But look at that, looks freaking beautiful, bro. The back seat clean. The only thing I have in here is the little sun protector thing for the sun. But other than that, let me show y'all. It's freaking spotless up in here. It is just beautiful. Like, y'all need to make sure. I know the lights are on. I just pressed the power to the car. I didn't actually turn it on, but it is 7:04 currently, and the sun is still shining really hard. But look at that. This is freaking insane. I just like love detailing this car, bro. Like, the end results, always worth it. Just like an hour. It takes like an hour or two to detail the car or to fully clean it. But now I'm gonna go ahead, come back up in here and grab. Oh yeah, he needs some spacers. Y'all comment down below. Look at that. He got that much space between the wheel and then the fender. I need some spacers too. For that car, I'm definitely gonna get some spacers this summer. But tire gel, and then this right here for the tires, tire applicator. So I'm gonna take these. Basically what this does is it shines the tires, because right now, as you can see, they look pretty dull. but let's go ahead and do this to all 4 tires, and I'm gonna catch y'all once I finish. All right, so as you can see, we just finished cleaning it. It is all done, so let me show you guys. Okay, so I have to move the car real fast, but hold up, let me come in the garage. But look at that, look at that reflection though. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Y'all need detail, you know who to call. Look at that, perfect. It's like, look at the reflection though. Ooh. But y'all make sure y'all go follow my car page, which is CXUPECLI. We be going crazy on there, and my views be going crazy on there, I ain't gonna lie. I be getting a ton of views on my car page, like especially on Instagram and TikTok. I could be getting millions of views, and then Instagram, I be getting like 35,000, 50,000 views on my reels, so it be going crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But y'all let me know also, hold up. Y'all let me know also what mods you want to see to the car in the future. We already have a muffler delete. I will get resonator and then X pipe next. Oh gosh, I didn't catch that right there, but I just like wipe that away. Ain't nobody gonna see. Hold on, let me go get the towel. But yeah, I replaced the side markers right there. What else? I just put like a little lip spoiler, nothing too crazy right there. No contrast with the black right there. Give the car like a little bit of more sporty type look to it, if you want to call it that. But pretty much that's it. Interior, mainly what I did was, what was I about to do? Oh, right here. Hold up, let me go ahead and get that off. But yeah, mainly what I did was just like replace a few things. Like I replaced these center caps right here because the old ones were cracking really bad, so I just replaced those. On the inside, I replaced all this wood trim right here. All you see this wood trim, I replaced all that because before it was like black and it was already like falling off. It was just like black right here. The wood had fell off and it was like black and then glue stained, so I completely replaced all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I do need to replace the front, this charging thing right here, because it does not work. I had to put it in the back one if I want to charge my phone. But yeah, other than that, what I do want to get is maybe a chrome delete right here, chrome delete on all this stuff, because I feel like the chrome delete right here will look the best. And then I do want to get some spacers for the wheels so they do come out a little bit more, so they don't look so small. And I know definitely this car for sure needs some spacers. But yeah, that was me washing the car, and then there's the aftermath right there. Still got a little bit soap because I had to move the car so my mom's Tesla can get in. But y'all let me know in the comments how I did. I took the front license plate off like I said earlier, but yeah, I hate that now. I think they make like sticker front license plates so you don't have to do this right here, drill freaking holes into your car, because I don't know how I'm gonna fix this right here. But hey, it is what it is. And then let me show you the engine. Let me pop the hood and show you the engine, because I cleaned the engine, or I semi-cleaned the engine. Hold up. Also right there, as you can see, I forgot I did that right there. I hit the Tesla, but got little flood puddle lights. So let me just pop the hood for y'all so y'all can see my, alright, bet. But yeah, just some little puddle lights when I step out of the car, or if I want to flick up for the gram. So look how I open a W212 Mercedes engine. There's like a little lever right here, just pull it to the side, lift up, simple, just like that. And then also for Mercedes hoods only. I'm not sure about other cars, but as you can see right now, I think it's like a 45-degree angle or 50, something like that. But our hoods can go all the way up to 90 degrees. Just push, look, just like this. Just push it straight up like that. Push it all the way up until it stops right there. And as you can see, this is called service mode. But this is where the hood goes completely like straight up, just like that, like completely up. But yeah, I cleaned the engine up a little bit, nothing too crazy. I mean, like, still I need to hit like down here and the sides, like all this like up here. But I just got like the plastic covers, I just got that cleaned. So and mean, as you can see, big V8. I might just hire somebody to come clean the engine like professionally, because I don't want to mess anything up, because I do not want to see my dashboard looking like a Christmas tree. I ain't gonna lie. I might start posting like more car content. Y'all let me know, do y'all like the car content? Just let me know in the comments, because I will definitely start posting more car content. As you can see, since I do have my first car is V8 Mercedes. We do live in California, plenty of car enthusiasts out here. So just let me know if y'all want to see more car content, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, because I am gonna go ahead, go in the house, edit this video, and go to bed so I can wake up nice and early in the morning, because I probably have to wake up around like 6, 7 in the morning. I'd probably say probably 6 in the morning. So just like about the same time I get up for school. So that's a bummer, but yeah, I probably have to wake up pretty early in the morning, go ahead and get ready, probably be done by like 6:30, 6:40, and then leave at like 7, because Santa Clarita is about an hour away from me. I just want to make it there on time. I don't want to be late. If you're early, then I might get to my car faster. So if I'm like 10 minutes early, hey, go ahead and get that appointment over with. Go back there at like 9:30 or something like that. So pretty excited for it tomorrow. And also June 4th, they do have another car event. I don't know I think I already told y'all, but I don't know the exact location. They say they're gonna drop it Saturday night, so we'll see where that is at. I hope it's like in shoot, why can I not think of the beaches? But hopefully it's in like one of the beaches near LA, alright? Because if it's in Northern California or all the way down by San Diego, I'm not coming, because it's like a 3-hour, 4-hour drive for me. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, which is going to be tomorrow. Make sure you guys go subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below, rate the car wash, because I feel like each time I wash my car I get better and better and better. You know, I look out for more spots, look out for things that I haven't done in the previous wash. But y'all just let me know in the comments, and do you guys like the car content, because I will be recording more of that for you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching all the way through, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.